guys, so I wanted to show you my grandmother's vacuum. So this is the Hoover fold-away, and she got it a long time ago in 2013 and or 2016. She got from all the way in LA, and she brought it back here. And this thing's in good condition. It was in an LA church. And this is the Hoover fold-away. It's brand new. So I'm going to try it out and see if it works. Okay, this is a good vacuum. And the great news is that the handle folds. And you can fold this handle for storage. And it's good vacuum. Don't know what the heck that is, but that's some pieces that are broken, so I'm gonna repair that. Well, anyways, this is a good vacuum. You got your height adjustment settings. It has a 12-amp motor. I put mine on low carpet and hard floor. I wish I'd put mine on medium carpet and high carpet. Well, anyways, it's a good Hoover. And the great news is that it has a carrying handle. Oh, and I'll show you this. It also has this, and you can carry this to like the garbage can to empty your canister. And you don't know what that is. Well, excuse me, that was my dad. Well, anyways, this is the Hoover fold-away, and it's a good vacuum. So I'm gonna stop the video right now.